Thanks for checking out the Passive Geek Show. It's tech news that's not real techy. Apple has apologized for slowing down the performance on older iPhone models. Apple will discount replacement batteries for some models after some lawsuits claim Apple had unfairly pushed iPhone users to upgrade their phones. Just a battery? Apple is taking $50 off the $79 price to replace a battery. Now that price will apply to any out-of-warranty iPhone 6 or later, and you can have your battery replaced starting late this month. The program will continue through December of this year. Facebook has added a snooze button. It's in the right top menu that will drop down and will let you mute a person, page, or group for 30 days. Now, this is pretty cool. If you're not interested in certain content, you just shut it down for 30 days in your newsfeed without having to unfollow someone and hurt their feelings. Maybe you're not here for an ex. Mute them. I wish they'd let me mute duplicate posts, like if you're posting about Omarosa leaving the White House, and then I have to see it in every other post for the next 30 years of Omarosa leaving the White House. Frustrating. First world problems. Google is taking steps to get fake news off the internet. Websites that misrepresent or conceal their country of origin or otherwise are aimed at people at another country under false premises will be banned. Basically, if your site doesn't list its country of origin, it won't show up in Google search, and that's everything. That way you won't get news from a foreign website that's making it up. There has to be a better way to do this, though. For right now, Google's doing great, but there has to be a better way. There's a new app that will let you book a table at a restaurant and order food and prepay before you get there. That's a great idea, especially if you only have a certain amount of time, like for lunch. The app's called Allset. It's on Android and iOS, but right now it's only being tested in Houston. It's free for you. The app charges restaurants a 12% commission on each order. Would you use it? I think I would. The top 25 most hacked passwords list for 2017 is out, and the top 5 are number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, number 4, QWERTY, number 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, number 2, the word password, and number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, for the 4th year in a row. It's number 1. Now, if these are your passwords, it's just a matter of time before somebody gets you, and you're being lazy. Now, if they resemble your passwords, it's time to change your passwords. Make that a resolution. Hey, that's all I got. Can I get a like and a share? If you're on YouTube, can I get a thumbs up and a subscribe? If you'd like to level up the love, you can be a patron of mine on patreon.com for just 99 cents a month. The link for more info is down below. Thanks for checking out the Passive Geek Show. It's tech news that's not too techy. I'm Tony Scott.